If you want something said, ask a man. If you want something done, ask a woman.
In all the different forms, you've been with us. As a mother, as a sister, a friend, any way possible. You've always increased our value, always helped us grow.
She's a woman. She is mother, daughter, wife, sister. She is a person. She is strong, smart and crafty. She has hope, beauty, power. She gives you respect, love and gratitude. She will help you, she will nurture you, she will fight for you.
बेटी तो रहमत, तू बेटी तो रहमत, तू बहना तो शफकत, तू बीवी तो चाहत, तू माँ है तो फिर तेरे पैरों में ही जन्नत.
From a person's birth to his end, there has always been a woman who empowers him in every phase of his life. From a mother who helps him grow and enter in this world, then a sister who helps him make one of his most important friends, then a wife who accompanies him to the end of his life. So is there any question of her importance?
Women are the largest reservoir of talent in the world. We have one secret in our culture. It's not that birth is painful, but it's that the women are strong.
Woman, she does everything for you, to her till her last breath. She keeps you happy, at times sacrificing her own health, beauty and hobbies. It's not easy to be a woman. So guys, respect women in your own life.
Sometimes I wonder how she can be so joyful with all the pain and sufferings. Then there she is, making me realize she's the woman of my life.
The woman can no longer be kept behind the curtains doing domestic duties. The women are not less than men in any other occupation. Our society is accepting the wider participation. They are working as pilots. They even hold countries together.
Don't compare any woman with another woman, because I think every woman is beautiful in her own way. Little girls with dreams become women with vision.
तू जिजाऊ, तू हिरकणी, तू झाशीची राणी अन तू रणरागिणी. तुझ्या उरा उरातून दौडे शौर्य अभिमान अन लढवय्या बाणा. तू आदिशक्ती, तू सरस्वती, तू लक्ष्मी. तुझ्या कुशीतून जन्म घेऊनी अनेक शूरवीरांनी गाजवली ही भूमी.
Social development can be measured by the social position of the female. So today we can make a resolution that we give them equal rights with men and respect like our mother.
You can do anything that you decide. You can swim the deepest ocean and climb the highest mountain. You have everything in you, that's why the world celebrates you.
Gone are the days when discrimination and lack of opportunities existed. But what I feel now is the women of today are the wizards of tomorrow. Means they have the power to change, to create a better world for us.
All women like to be appreciated and treated with respect and kindness. All I want to tell women is that you need to love yourself and make yourself a priority. It's only when you are happy yourself can make everyone else around happy.
It is really nice to have a special day for women where they are glorified to a point being honored, awarded and appreciated. For generations it has been ingrained among women that they are not capable of doing most things. Women empowerment lies in honoring yourself and treating yourself with respect. No one can put you down without your permission. It is always said, united we stand, divided we fall. So let's join women, men empowerment together for a better future.
Respect,
Capable, a companion.
Joyful,
बेहतरीन,
mesmerizing,
intuitive, alluring,
Caring, generous,
इज्जत,
companion,
risk taker,
Intellectual.
passion,
Bold,
courageous. दीवारें ऊंची है, गलियां है तंग, लंबी डगर है पर हिम्मत है संग. पाँव पे छाले है, सांसें बुलंद, लड़ने चली तू आज़ादी की जंग. बेखौफ आज़ाद है जीना तुझे, बेखौफ आज़ाद है रहना तुझे, बेखौफ आज़ाद है जीना तुझे, बेखौफ आज़ाद है रहना तुझे.